Starting back in on Gary's amp board. Let's see if these traces are still good. Good evening, YouTube. Here with you on a Thursday evening. I just got done watching The Orville. It's one of my programs that I watch. I watch TV on Thursday nights. Usually watch The Big Bang Theory, Young Sheldon, and then The Orville. And that's what I have been doing. So I have got this board here, as you can see. It is on these helping hands. Basically, all I'm going to do, and I'm going to do a simple one real quick here, is press this to here. You can see that trace is good. I'm just doing the simple ones. See now, right away, I was going to say right away, you see one that doesn't work so good. I need to tighten this up. This is a test. It's not going to be easy here, I don't think, to do this. For one thing, the what do you call it, is at a little bit of a disadvantage, but I think if I lean that back, I might get a little more leverage out of it that way. I think these are our biggest problems here on this end. They don't seem to be holding very well. Let's tighten those up a little bit. Let's see if we can get this around here again. That looks pretty good. Let's see what our view looks like. Yeah, it's not too bad. It will work. Like I said, that's basically what I'm doing, just testing these circuits out. This one goes all the way around here to here, and that one's good. This one goes all the way around here to here. That one's good. This one just goes to here, I think. Yeah, that's a different one there. That's all by itself there, it looks like. Now this one here comes down here, but it doesn't actually connect to anything that it looks like. There is connections here, and then there's one here. So going down here, there's here, there's two here. One doesn't connect to anything basically at all, and the other one goes down to here. This one here goes to all the way down here. Oops. Maybe I'm misreading that. Let's see. It looks to me like it goes from here down to here. Yeah, it goes here. Oh. It must be either that's a bad trace or I'm seeing something that it's not there. It doesn't go to either one of them though. I'll have to take a closer look at that with the oh no, it doesn't go there. It goes here. That's interesting. It goes up around here. Okay. Wonder if I can get away with having that there without causing too much problem. And it just puts a little light on the subject, I think is all it does. Maybe I'll just go with it here. Alright, let's try that again. So we'll go here to here. Oh, down here. There we go. So that's a good one. Alright. And I already did this one. I think I did this one too. Just going back over the ones I've... Oh, well, this one goes over here too. Yeah, that's good. And it goes up here. Yep, that's good. Alright, now this one's a long one. It comes down through here. Another long one here. And let's go back the other way. I think I already did this one, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. That one's also to there. I think, isn't it? Maybe not. No, it's there. There is there. I'm probably repeating a lot of these, but that's okay because I just want to double check them as much as possible and see what touches what here. And go here. So that's that. I think I'm just going to do the whole side and then go to the other side maybe. Pretty sure I already did this one. Yeah, that's the one that, no. Yeah, maybe I did do that. Yeah, this one. And this one. Yep. Getting hung up on one side there. Now these two, go to here. Maybe. Yep. That doesn't have a real good connection there, I don't think. So let's go over on this side and play around a while. This one goes down to here. And this one goes to here, and it goes up to here, here, here. Yep, them are all good. All good, as they say. Let's see, was that not that one there? Okay. That looks to me like it's got a little bad spot in the solder, so I'm going to resolder that if I can remember it. Alright, now I'm getting over here. Let's see, as soon as we get past this middle line, we're getting over to the other side, so we don't want to really do that. I think if these are mostly checked, but I'll go over them just to be sure. And yeah, I know I checked this 3 or 4 times. Alright. Check this one, goes up to here. Yep. That's it. That's pretty much it, I think. I'm going to say it's it. I mean, there's no bad traces there. Everything that should connect is connected. I'm not really sure what this one is here. I can check it. It's connected too. It's also on this one. So, yeah. That's funny, there's 3 of those connections there. I don't know exactly what, that must be a common point, obviously. But, you know, who knows what, where. Anywho, that's pretty much checking them all. Like I said, I want to reflow the solder on that one there. You can even see it just knocked off a little chunk of it there. But, doesn't seem like it's a good connection there. It may be solid as all a rock, you know, I don't know, but it's just maybe a shadow. I think I'm seeing a shadow, that's what it is. But I will reflow it when I get the soldering iron going because, you know, it won't hurt anything. And that one there, definitely, there you can see that one. That one's not good at all. What is it? Oh, that's that, I know why that's like that, because I've got to put that cap back in there and this has got to come back out. So, yeah, okay, that's no problem. Anywho, I think that ought to do that. Turn that off, get it up there. That's going to take care of that little problem. I think you'll agree that was a pretty good way of checking that. I mean, I don't know of any better way. So I think that ought to do it. I'm just trying to see what some of these things are. Like, I guess that's a component lead, but I'm not really sure. I guess it goes to that anyway. There's this trace going from there to there. So. Alright. Won't bother with that no more, I guess. I guess we are clear now to put back in all of the components. Probably will start with the resistors. I don't know that I'll start tomorrow, but I may. Don't think I have anything planned. Now the radio, the Hallicrafters, is in Indianapolis right now. Well, I said it in there now. It may have come down. Sometimes they come down to Columbus and it stays there overnight. I don't know, it just depends. But anyway, it was in there earlier today when I checked. So it's either coming down to Columbus and it'll come to Seymour, or it'll come down to Columbus or to Seymour in the morning. One of the two. It will be here tomorrow. It should, barring any unforeseen circumstances. As Bob wanted to remind me that it might go to Cincinnati just for a visit. Things happen like that, I understand, but we'll hope it doesn't, so we'll have a radio to look at. And I'll have this video here. I don't know how long this is, but one of the things I wanted to look at, I was noticing, I think it was Big Clive, one of those guys like that, was taking apart one of these, and it had like a USB type connection on it. And I was kind of interested to see if that was just his or another one. Must be another one. That one doesn't seem to be anything like that I could tell anyway. unless I took apart the wrong part, which is easily done for me. Anywho, could be another part here, could be this part here. That doesn't seem to want to come loose, so I'm not going to worry about it. As far as I know, this thing still works. I haven't charged it up in a while, but I haven't used it for a long time either, so I guess I could check. I think the power switch is on here. I've done forgot how to use it. That's pretty good. Well, that's a charging port. What that is? Headlight. That's what it says. Headlight. And I sure do not see the switch on here. Oh, is that it? Yeah, there it is. Just push the button, dummy. Yeah, it still works. Yeah, it's got the... nobody knows what that's drove. I guess it may be for a warning or attention getter of some kind. I don't know exactly what for, but I'm sure it has a function of some kind. So, no, I haven't used that yet. I've been waiting for a situation where I really needed to use it. I don't know that it really matters, but that's what I've been waiting for. So, anywho, that's that. I was going to go look at some little cabinets, obviously bigger than this, but they were only a couple of bucks a piece at Home Depot, and they had, you know, I thought maybe I could get some of these LEDs sorted away and in some boxes, get them out of the way. Also been trying to think of a way to use this Chemitech, and I've been wondering about signal processing. I'm trying to find a way to get a pretty good raw recording of my stereo in there, so that and put it up on YouTube to where it will play basically you know, what comes out of the thing instead of being processed by YouTube. That may not be possible, I don't know, but anywho, that's what I'd like to try. Don't see anything on the back here. User manual. I cannot find that anywhere. I looked all over the place for that, and that doesn't seem to be here anywhere. I don't know if you guys can see it from where you're at, but the bench really needs cleaning. I may do that tomorrow before I get into anything. I'm going to have to do it before I put the Hallicrafters up here to look at, because it's just too messy. There's just too much junk on here. And that will have to be cleaned up. So we will have to do that. Trying to keep all my new parts over on the left side there and out of the way, or whatever, I guess. And I think I probably could get it up here if I had to. But like I said, not sure what I'm going to do about this. I may try to populate some of this tomorrow. Pretty much good idea about the traces being good and the components being good. So, you know, the only thing I really want to do is rebuild these diode packs, and not these are good ones, but I mean, I'm rebuild the one on this side to using the 1N 4004s and just see what I come up with, see if I can, you know, what I want to do is build them up like that, and then put a piece of heat shrink around them, and you know, make them basically like this. And this is just tape here, but you know, I think heat shrink would do about the same thing. I think I've got these little insulator wires, or whatever they call it, spaghetti. I think they're around here somewhere. So anywho, that's what I want to do with that. I think that's going to do me. Like I say, it's 10:32 now in the evening. Watched all my shows. Bob's gone to bed, and I don't know what's going on. been, I told you about those pots I got yesterday, these 1 meg pots. I'm going to try to start working on that before long too. Bob sent me a little video he did of it, of his working. He put one channel together because I guess that's all he had. There's a couple of things he needs, and he put one channel together just to show me how it worked, and had a MP3 playing through it, and it sounded pretty good. He says it actually sounds better than in person. That's kind of what I'm wanting to do, is get the, you know, so that we can actually hear what something really sounds like instead of the process sound you get through YouTube. And I think that would be kind of a neat thing to do, in my opinion anyway. Maybe I'm all wet, I don't know, but I just think that would be kind of cool. And I may try to do that with the Chemitech. I don't know. Gotta put this back up here. Out of the way, where it was. I don't really use that enough. I should use it more. I mean, it's a good device to use. Just keep it up out of the way there. Alright, I guess that's going to do me. You guys have a pleasant evening. If in the morning I see that there needs a little bit more on this one, I may put some more on it. But if not, I won't. So you guys have a pleasant evening. Thanks for watching, and we will see ya.